Welcome back, folks, to BrisketMedic. Today we're going to be doing some pork steaks on the Masterbuilt 1050. We're going to be seasoning up these HEB pork steaks with my friend John at Smokinxbbq, Simply, Texas. He has good, simple flavors, a simple approach to cooking, and I absolutely love it. John actually lives close by. He's been a good friend of mine for a long time. He doesn't pay me to endorse any of his products, and I wouldn't let him. None of these guys that I use their products pay me for any of this. I just tell you about it because I honestly believe that it's good, and I'm kind of sad that it took so long for me to make a video about it. But we're going to be using John's Simply Texas from Smokinxbbq and my boy Bigwickstx ranch dip mix. I absolutely love this stuff. He says it goes amazing on pork. We're going to find out today. We're just going to coat them down with that, a little bit of the Simply Texas, a little bit of the ranch, and then we're going to hit them with duck fat spray. We're using our Smoky Woods barbecue lump charcoal in our Masterbuilt 1050 to get it up to 350 degrees. We're going to hit with that duck fat spray, and we're going to throw these pork steaks down and let them sit for 15 minutes. After that 15 minutes is up, we're going to spin them around, flip them over, hit them with some more duck fat, throw it back in there for another 15 to 20 minutes until our internal temperature hits right around 170. Well, if you're gonna say no, I wish you'd just tell me so. Then I'll go to bed and read till I'm tired. If you're interested though, well, don't be so slow, and I'll throw another log on the fire. And you can leave in the morning if you feel that way. I'll bring some eggs and some coffee if you want to stay. Oh, and don't forget. After that 15 minutes is up, we're going to spin them around, flip them over, hit them with some more duck fat, throw it back in there for another 15 to 20 minutes until our internal temperature hits right around 170. At 170, we're going to let them rest for a little bit, and we're going to get them out and start to slice. That's where we're at now. I can't wait to grab one of these out and taste it. Whoa there, mama. This bad boy, fresh out of the rest. It looks amazing, that beautiful glaze. That's why I like using duck fat spray. It's just really good. So let's go ahead and cut this open. We're going to give it a try. Cuts nice and smooth. Look how pretty that is. A little bit of smoke ring. Didn't expect that. Let's do this. It's nice and juicy. Look at all that juice, folks. All right, let's get a bite. That's really good. Get a slight kick from Bigwickstx, but that savoriness and that salt, pepper. That's a little bit of earthiness from Simply Texas. It's a great combination. Nice and juicy. Beautiful flavor from the fuel that we're using from Smoky Woods Barbecue. That's good. Masterbuilt 1050 knocked it out again. Super easy to use. Make sure you like, subscribe, tell your friends, tell your mom and them. Hey, if you order anything from Bigwickstx online or Smokinxbbq, tell Bigwickstx and John, my buddy over at Smokinx, that I sent you. I don't get anything from it. I just want them to know that I'm sharing the love. Love you guys. Drink more water.